Let's see how to increase the ringtone volume for iPhone. Here you see that when I press the volume, I increase the volume for everything. So if you want to increase for the ringtone, that's not the way to go. Also here, when you see the volume here, if you increase it, this is the overall volume for every single app. It's not for the ringtone. If you want to increase for the ringtone, you just need to come here to settings. And here, you just come down until you find this option here for Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it. And from here, you can increase the volume. So when you increase here, there we go. Basically, you're increasing the volume for the ringtones and alerts. Okay, so super simple. Basically, that's the way you can increase the ringtone volume on your iPhone. Leave your comments, your thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.